talk about how can you fix this problem on your Blockgraph 3D app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you click here on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here, then you click here on apps, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here, and here you're looking for Blockgraph 3D app, or just click here on search. Then here add Blockgraph 3D, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here, click on first stop, then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here, then here you search for Blockgraph 3D, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.